What's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be checking out the bigger variant of Samsung's latest sound tower, the ST50F. Let's start by seeing what comes inside of the box here. Compared to the ST40F, it's definitely a bigger box. Same packaging, same unboxing experience here, which is to be expected. Here we have the charging cable and the manual, of course. And now, for the speaker, it's a nice little workout picking this up. I wonder if it had, well, I could feel it. I feel the wheels. If it's got wheels, you know it's a big boy right here, ready to roll around with some power. Yeah, looking at the front side, we have the same design here. Nice metal grille in the front, accented bezel lights on the sides, lights in the speakers on the top, lights in the middle as well. Nice Samsung branding on the top with some more lights on the bottom of the speaker as well. On the sides here, you can see we also have, it's not really a padding, but I think it's just a plastic piece. That gives me the idea that I could lay this on its side. So we have plastic pads on the left side as well as on the right side right here. Let's check out the wheels. Feels like rubber wheels here, good size. It has some, cutouts for nice traction as well. Good wheels. They're quiet as well. And then on the back side over here, something new with the bigger model, besides the wheels, are these. You can't really see that. So this does come with an extension handle right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 4 different adjustment points. Well, taking a look at the back side now, we have a nice rubberized flap that houses all of the ports. So on the back side, we have an add stereo button, a group play button, a mic to guitar switch, so you can switch between your different inputs, an auxiliary input, another mic input, and we also have group play in aux terminal, as well as group play out aux terminal. And then we have another mic input and a USB type A port where you can also charge your phone and play songs through. So on the top here, it does have new knobs here. We get more knobs on the top. Okay, wait, let me just keep talking about the back more. So yeah, we have removable batteries here. Boom, let's take out the removable battery right here. It's definitely bigger here. Right here, Samsung branded battery, and it is a 9,300 milliamp battery, a 66.96 watt hour removable battery. The speaker is also IPX4 certified, so you can play this next to the pool, or if it's slightly raining, it will survive bumping some music. And then we have the last flap on the bottom, which is the power port. I'm glad it's still got the LED lights on the handlebar, because that's one of the signature features of this soundbar, I believe. And yeah, let's talk about the buttons on the top now. The buttons on the top, we have the knob to control the lights, to select the light as well. It's a multifunctional button, and same goes for the knob for the volume. It's a multifunctional pause and play button on the top. And then what was this one? Oh, this was the knob for the sound effects. You can select between different sound effects and then press on the top to play the selected sound effect. We still have the bass button, the Bluetooth pairing button, source button, and the power button. And they are all also accompanied by LED light indicators. And the new knobs right here we have are mic knobs, so I can add echo right here. Okay, so instead of having the echo effect and all that on the back port over here, it's right on the top of the speaker. So volume knob for the mic, echo knob for the mic, and the same volume and echo knob for the mic 2 or your guitar input. Very nice. And then we have an even bigger phone port, so you should be able to fit your iPad in here as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and charge this up and I will be back. So the speaker has just finished charging up, but before I do the sound test, let's quickly do a size comparison between the ST ST50F and the ST50F. As you can see, big boy. This one's also pretty big. It's like the size difference is, you can definitely see the size difference, but at the same time, this one's also a pretty big speaker compared to this. Or you can say these are pretty compact speakers for the sound that they output. Let's take a look at the side profiles of these speakers. Boom. That's what they look like. They both have handles, wheels, no wheels. And then on the back side, okay. And then on the back side, you can see we got the ports here, more ports here, but this one has the controls on the top, so it doesn't look as cramped as this guy right here. Now it's time for the sound test. This is about like almost a little over 10 pounds heavier than the other speaker. This comes in at 40.6 pounds, while the ST40F comes in at about 28 pounds. Now let's do its first ever boot up. All you have to do is just tap on the power button. Now I'm going to do this test first plugged in, which is going to be outputting 90 watts of power. And then when it's connected, it's going to be outputting 240 watts of power, which is what the speaker is advertised for. And in terms of battery, this is rated to last up to 18 hours, but I will be doing my own battery test as I do the speaker test. Playing music at 36%. Now the volume is at 50%. Not a bad start. Now let's switch up the songs and turn up the volume. Also, the bass right now is set to normal. We have 4 different modes: normal, punchy, deep, and gentle. So I will be switching between the bass modes throughout the song and letting you know what mode we are on. So on to the next one. Another song, still at 50% volume, but with some vocals.
Cambian sin cesar. El silencio de las ventanas acarician mi hondo pesar. No puedo pensar en pararme.
Now, still playing at 50% volume. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, I'm going to still play at 50% volume, except I'm going to plug this in. Unplugging it. Now playing music at 62% volume. Still playing at 62% volume, except I'm going to change the bass mode to punchy after I play the song for like a couple of seconds. Here we go, switching over to punchy bass mode. Still playing the same song, but now the volume is at 81%. Still playing at 81%, a different song this time. I'm going to keep playing the song, except now I'm walking further along, about 25, now 30 feet away from the speaker. Let's hear how it sounds. Going even further. I am partying up. All right, let's do a different type of music now. Playing music at 50% volume, and then I'm going to switch over to 100% volume, playing the same song. So here we go. Turning it up to 100%. Let us keep walking further away. I'm about 32 feet away now. has definitely got the whole room jumping. And I don't even have the speaker plugged in, you know, so it's loud for sure. So, still about 30 feet away from the speaker here and bumping it at 100%. So, let me blow my ears off. Make sure to like this video. Dope beat indeed. And I felt the bass throughout the whole room. All the way out there, I still felt the bass. The music is loud. And we're playing at about 90 watts right now. So if I plug it in, I might cause a little earthquake here. So I'm not even going to try that. In terms of battery life, the speaker just ran out of juice now. And it lasted 11 hours, 53 minutes. So that was with the lights turned on at all times. And I was playing music from anywhere between 40 to 100% volume. Overall, it's great to see Samsung improving their design, and I definitely like the design of the newer sound towers. It's loud, I like the lights, the wheels are nice, and it's got a handle so you can take your party on the go.